One option. This is the printable file. It's 2 pages on regular 8.5 by 11. And you can see there's the dates for the whole week along the left-hand side. And the days of the week across the top. June, July, and August. And I've marked for you the last day of school, which was on Friday, the 11th. I've marked Independence Day on July 4th. The first day of school, which is going to be August 23rd. And Labor Day weekend, which just kind of falls off the edge of the calendar. Now, here's another option for making a calendar, especially if you don't have a printer or it's too much effort at this point. Use one of your kids' old composition notebooks, either from this last school year or even the year before. It's likely that there's some left over. This is going to be a really great one for those kids who enjoy journaling. Flip to the back of the page of the journal where you've got some extra pages. Most of them do. And you're going to make a list of the days of the month. So start with June and start with the day that hasn't already happened yet. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you can put the abbreviation for the day on the left-hand side. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then just keep going all the way down until it carries over to the next. Wednesday, the 30th, and then July, and Thursday, the 1st, Friday, the 2nd, Saturday, 3rd, Sunday, the 4th, and so on. The next step is to take some school supplies from your kids. If you have an older one, you probably have a highlighter laying around. Younger ones probably have colored pencils or even some crayons. These are, again, left over from last year. They did not get used. So highlight the holidays and weekends. And to August, first day of school. And don't forget the rest of the weekends.